Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gemini crypto wallet, secure access step by step clearly. To start, visit the official Gemini website. On the home page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check both entries for accuracy. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check for your authentication method prompt. Follow the instructions to receive your authentication code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. After entering the code, click on the Submit button. Wait for the system to process your login request. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your wallet dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your email and password for accuracy. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. For added security, consider enabling biometric login if available. Once you're in, explore the features available on your wallet dashboard. Always remember to log out after each session, especially on public devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.